fucking way. They're literally sawing off my man Caesar.
Oh, cut through. Keep going, keep going.
Fucking crazy ass food.
Is it? Where's the other one? Where's the oh, that one probably cut better.
Crazy Julio?
Crazy as fuck.
Mopar, baby.
Mopar, baby.
Oh, this one's easier. Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Fuck
You for
you.
yourself?
Nah.
Actually, this one's rougher.
You see the other saw I had in there?
Which one?
Yeah,
Alright boys, they want me to grab this big ass fucking saw right here. I don't know why, but they really about to saw off my boy Caesar's muffler, bro. He said fuck the $100. He said fuck paying $100 for a muffler delete, he's gonna do it himself.
Oh, maybe that one actually. Let me see that. Hell yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hell yeah.
Oh, they're cutting clean through that fucking shit.
Bro, rest in peace.
Engine, check
Here you
engine
go.
on.
Bro, you already fucking...
Yeah? Nah.
Nah, this one nah. Here, just try it. Let's continue with this one.
Oh. Yeah, I just think you needed to get through. Now it's just a matter of actually cutting through the fucking shit. Yeah, because you're actually cutting through it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's almost there.
Oh, fuck me.
We could
Oh
probably
my god.
take it off after.
You try that way? Because you're going to have to go that way because there's space right here
Right.
to bend it. Oh. Put that shit in there.
Fuck, it's mad windy today.
Oh, dude, that shit.
It's actually pretty hard.
Almost.
It's fucking
Bro,
straight
they
metal,
actually
that's why.
fucking cut that shit pretty clean. Fuck $100 muffler
Would
delete.
you say Caesar cut it from the halfway?
Oh, shit.
Nah, just leave it like that. I have an exhaust leak.
Take the catalytic converter off?
Chill, bro, saw.
Here.
Fuck.
Where's that shit at?
It's right there, but.
We'll take it off right now.
Oh,
I could have pulled it, yeah.
saw it. Put it through and just saw it. There we go. No,
Alright,
here, chop
it's
in the
in the-
bottom. Ready? Ready?
Oh. Okay, hold on. It's like,
It's
right.
It's just on the thread.
Literally.
Oh!
Muffler delete.
Dude, straight cut.
Bro, let me see that shit. These guys really just sawed off
Bro,
the fucking muffler.
Fuck $80.
Fuck $80. They said I'm just gonna fucking run
And now
it.
it's just the hanger, Caesar.
Yeah, but that's easy to take off.
Yeah.
Isn't it just this shit right here?
Yeah, you could just push it forward. You want to put WD-40 on it?
Nah, it's not. It's just like a rubber piece.
Yeah, you could still. It'll still like be like lubed up.
Maybe I have to take it off the head first.
Fucking
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Caesar, man.
How it sounds.
Jesus fucking Christ. We should have got a fucking video before, but damn, motherfuckers really sawed off their fucking muffler.
Bro, look.
Damn, that shit's a big ass muffler,
Yeah, I
bro.
know. What the?
That's an extra 5 horsepower gain, Caesar.
Yeah?
Yeah, easily.
Ooh.
You get horny, Caesar?
Bro, oh my god, I can't wait
Make a
to.
cannon out of that potato launcher.
Facts.
Bro, look at it. Just walled on the heart.
Facts. You can fucking do that. Dude, well, now we need to get pipe, and then we have the welder in my fucking garage, and we weld it.
Ooh.
There's another garage, though.
Dude, holy shit. Wait, so, okay.
So now we get back to coilovers? That's it. Fuck it, dude. Man, it's gonna be cold on a cold start. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
That's fucking crazy.
That's real gang shit.
Broke boys?
Fuck his muffler? Now you can sell that for like $50.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
No wonder that shit's
Oh
weird.
shit! We're gonna load from this side.
Thank you, Julio. Oh, wait, so what the?
You thank me? That was all fucking you. You the ones that sawed it off. You're not gonna thank me for shit. You're in a...
So put them on?
Oh yeah, on that side, yeah, you can put it on. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Slap Never Loves.
Yo, check how slam this shit is.
Oh.
You wish you was that slam?
I wish I was that slam.
Dude, you need air for that shit. There's no way you can do that shit.
Wait, so what are you doing, Caesar, on this side?
Well, it's because on this side, it's lower.
Oh, and he wants to keep it like that side?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That one's alright.
I posted that.
Whack ass car. This one's hard though. And that one. And this one.
Oh, there it is. Gotta hammer out these bolts. Real shrimp life shit. Don't do this at home, children.
Hey, hit the MJ, hit the MJ.
Hit the woo-wah.
Oh, shit.
Calm down.
Okay. Yo, what's up with these coils?
Oh, white.
Oh, these are hard. How much? How much will the people know? 1K your best offer?
1K.
Oh, you'll trade for a PS4?
700.
We'll trade
And
for actual
I
coils.
know what I have, so.
I know what I have, don't lowball me.
Yeah. No, you gotta be like, I'll trade for actual coils.
Dude.
Crazy. Damn, that's crazy. Cause look at. We gotta take up the back side too. We gotta take up the other side because this shit's not even touching. Where is it? Nah, that's just the lip. Fuck, there's no way we can fucking use this board.
Yeah.
We gotta use it. Let me see if I know I have another flat board somewhere. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just put my foot, bro, to be honest.
Oh yeah. Cause you're built different?
Yeah. Exactly.
Are you ready? Let's see.
Sucking so much dick that he called me a dilf.
Yeah. I like that.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, that shit. Oh my. Yeah, no.
No?
Is it good to go?
That's it.
Oh,
That's it,
it
Caesar?
isn't touching like.
It's not touching? It's not touching here either. Fucking Caesar, this is sick.
Oh.
Cause it isn't like kind of like. No,
That was touching?
No.
Oh, it is. Or.
No, like it will go. Oh no, is it go? Let's see if it.
I can't see on. Look at my phone.
Want to take it out? Hey, you want to turn it on?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Wait, so done?
Yeah, that's it. Muffler and everything.
Yeah, let's see how the muffler. Let's see how the muffler sounds.
Dude, fuck, this is gonna be crazy.
All the alarms go off.
Watching Lots Art.
Fuck. Where's your exhaust? This is a Leaf car. It has no exhaust coming out the fucking back. Go for it.
Nah, you're for sure gonna hear the VTEC crazy.
Yeah, fuck.
Like when you first bought it.
Yeah, I read it.
Holy shit, Caesar.
Oh, this
Redlined it. Yeah, go for it. Bang it.
Bro, you're gonna pop when you downshift.
Oh, that's crazy.
Test drive?
Test drive, Caesar? Yeah.
You want me to? Hey, let me move my car then. Jesus Christ. You good, you good? Oh! Fucking crazy. Damn, fucking Caesar! Oh my god! Your shit's low as fuck! Fucking Caesar, that shit's low. Fucking. Dude, that's what I'm telling him. Dude, that shit looks crazy. Fucking Caesar, bro, this car was mad low now. Yeah, it does. What's that noise?
Scraping.
Oh yeah,
Sideways.
Side fucking shit, dude. Like no fucking credit card fitment. Just my hand fits. Right here's got a little bolt, but that won't rub. Max speeding rods for the win, Caesar.
Oh.
Let us hear that pizza.
Oi, oi. Oh shit! Oh fuck! It's that fucking stop sign. Oh! Oh, it's motherfucker! Is that rub?
Yeah, bro.
Fuck!
But yeah.
Yeah, this is all loose ass gravel.
Ready?
Oh, we're gonna fucking wrap around that light pole right now.
Oh, bro. Wait, nah.
Oh, this is all fucked up. Yeah, you did. Oh! Oh! Shit! Holy shit! Fucking kidding me, Caesar. Oh, that was crazy.
Oh shit.
Fuck. The boy Christian? Oh, it's still dark as dick. Oh shit! I thought I was burning rubber. Do burnout.
Everywhere I go, I'm burning rubber.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You're fucking crazy, Caesar. Holy shit, my fucking hat fell off. You're fucking crazy, Caesar.
That was sick. Cause I wanna learn how to control it for my car. Oh, the B-Tech.
B-Tech. Oh, fucking mad ass scrape. Fucking shit. It's fucking mad windy, but hopefully, you know, it don't matter.
Who matters?
Who matters? Dude, hella fucking slam, bro.
Yeah, it does.
Crazy as fuck, Caesar. Dude, I remember when you pulled up, it was not this low, bro.